Hey guys, Ravi here from IraFX and welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. So today we'll be using Adobe After Effects to create something like this. So yep, this is glitch logo reveal animation and it's a beginner's tutorial considering the fact that you know to use Adobe After Effects. So without any delay, let's get started. So let us first divide this tutorial into two steps. Step 1, making the logo animation, and step 2, making the background. So in the first step, let me first create a composition. Let me name this to glitch effect, and I set this to 1080p resolution with around 7 seconds duration and click OK. So here I have this Batman logo because I'm Batman fan, and let me just scale this a bit. Looks good to me. So let me first pre-compose this logo. Let me name this to logo comp and move all attributes to this new composition. Make sure that this is checked and click OK. So I have this glitch video here that I downloaded from Production Crate. Production Crate is actually an amazing website. Let me show you. They have tons of free content for you to download, and I downloaded this free glitch transition RGB effect. Do check their website from the link in the description below. So I used that, and since this is around 1 second duration, but we need it to the like until the end of 7 seconds. So what you have to do is right click on this layer, and from time make sure you click on this enable time remapping. So holding Alt on your keyboard, click on this timer button here so that an expression editor comes up, and type in loop out. This is case sensitive. Make sure you type in exactly like this and click somewhere outside. And now what I have is I can extend this glitch transition such that it gets looped, like the way you see in the video. Great. So now add an adjustment layer from this layers menu, and let me rename this to glitch. So now from the effects and presets panel, type in displacement map and drag this displacement map effect onto our adjustment layer. So set this displacement map layer to the glitch file that we have, and change this horizontal displacement to something like 50 and vertical to 75. Anything can be okay, and make sure you click on this button here so that this is not visible in our composition. You only have glitch layer and logo layer enabled, and when I preview this, you see that our logo is having a glitch effect that we require. One thing that we want is we necessarily don't want the glitch to appear always. So in the middle we need our logo in such a way that it's visible properly. So let me just drag this glitch layer to here for around 1.5 seconds. Ctrl D on your keyboard such that you duplicate it and move it to around 2 seconds such that you have a gap wherein you don't have a glitch applied to our logo. You have a glitch effect here and you have a glitch effect here, not in the middle. It looks good to me. The next thing that we do is simply pre-compose all these things and name this to glitch logo layer. Click OK. From the effects and presets panel, simply type in shift and you have this shift channels effect and drag this onto our logo layer. Now simply duplicate our logo layer 2 times by holding Ctrl D on your keyboard, and for the first one let me rename this to red, this to green, and this to blue. So for the blue layer, make sure that take red from is set to full off and green is set to full off, and for green it's like set the red to full off and blue to full off. For red it's like set this to green to full off and blue to full off. Yep. So the next thing that we do is simply drag one of the layers to the right, move everything to the right a bit like this. So now if I start playing the video, this is how it's going to look like. But you can see that the blue layer on the top is a bit dark, so simply turn this mode to screen and also the green layer to screen. So ultimately you have 3 layers, 2 set to screen and 1 set to normal. And if I start playing this, you can see that a glitch effect is applied to our logo. Looks good. So if you want to simply adjust the glitch effects for each one of the layer, increase this here a bit and change its value to 250 or vertical to something, so that these two glitches that appear in our composition look quite different. So if I start playing this, this is how it's going to look like. Looks good to me. The final thing that we have to do is add a background. So create a new solid. Make sure you click the select the composition and create a solid. I name it to background, click OK, and from effects and presets panel I move this to bottom, and from effects and presets panel simply type in 4-color gradient. So you have this effect and drag this onto our layer. So set the first color to a dark blue and the last color to the same blue that we have, and set the middle 2 colors to black and simply drag these position values to extreme left corner and right corner like this, so that we have a dark background, and when I play this you have a glitch effect applied on our logo like this. The last final touch that we can add to our effect is that add this glitch layer onto the top of our composition, and when both the glitches end, this should start playing like this. So at this point what we'll do is simply add a text layer on the top, and let me type in your tagline here. So this particular tagline, simply just trim this to a point and set this below this, and it should appear at this point when our topmost layer covers it. And yep, so this is how we are going to do this glitch animation in Adobe After Effects. Perfect. If you are looking for more visual effects and tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram at VFXGuyRavi. You can download this project file from the link in the description below. Do check my Patreon for some exclusive downloads. See you guys next time with another tutorial.